Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today we're doing the royal wedding get ready with me. So this is what I'm going to be looking like, face beat to the gods for the royal wedding. It's obviously not 4 a.m. in the morning, but you know, it's cool because I can just watch it, and if I'm gonna go watch it in my living room, I gotta make sure the face is beat because it's only right. So I'm gonna start off by using my Lorac palette. This palette is so old. It's so old. I'm gonna use this color here. It's like a hit pan sable. Alright, so after that color, I'm going to go into it's my Ray Ray palette. Look at that, how beautiful is this color? And I'm gonna go in with the color Black Beauty. So we're gonna do like a halo smoky eye. It's kind of been my thing lately. I think the only thing I'm gonna do different is probably the halo color. So I just took a little bit on my brush. I don't wanna overwhelm my eyes, and I just start off with kind of the corner here, kind of dab it. When I think of royal, I think gold. I want to do a gold, but I think I'm going to stick to like a pink. So we're going to go back into it's my Ray Ray palette, and we're going to use the color Tiffany right down here, but I kind of like this color too. But I think we're going to go with Tiffany. Okay, I changed the color. It's the color next to Tiffany. It is called Fairy Tale. That's like the perfect name, Fairy Tale. Okay guys, so we are done with the eyes. Like I said, it's very smoky eyed. You know, I want to stand out at the royal wedding. I'm not trying to look like my cousin and them. Next, we're going to go in with primer. I am using the Smashbox primer. The photo finish, you know, my holy grail. I love this primer. I don't think I'll ever switch up. It's just done wonders for my face. It keeps me soft, and it's a little bougie, you know. It's a little bougie. I think I cringe when I buy this primer because I'm like, oh, I could be using that money for something, paying my credit card bill or something. You know, I make sure I get those paid. I don't play with that. Alright, yeah, so for foundation, we are going in with the NARS Radiant Foundation in Zambi D5. So it's a second to darkest shade in the Zambi. And I'm just going to use this brush to apply it. I mean, if you're going to wear any kind of foundation, it might as well be NARS, especially the long wear Radiant. Your skin looks so natural, you're covered, and it lasts a super long time. And when you set it, it's just amazing, does wonders. This is one of my all-time favorite foundations, especially from like Sephora. More of the high end. My favorite low end would be the Maybelline Fit Me, but you know, today we're just gonna is foundation side. This is my skin. Like, of course my skin is not ass popping, but like, it's really good. All right, next we are going to highlight. So I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Go in and contour with my It's My Right palette, and I'm gonna use this color. And for my highlight, I am going to use French Toast in the same palette. Well, this is the final look to the royal wedding. I'm gonna get some earrings on. I think it turned out great. It's simple, but it still like makes me pop out, you know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed my get ready with me for the royal wedding, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share with a friend. So I'll be doing a lot more videos, and I just really truly appreciate your guys' support. Love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.